Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a blog to a WordPress website. So you want to go into WordPress and you want to come to posts, and then you want to click at the top to add post. That will then open the screen where you can start putting your blog post. So once this is opened, you want to put your content in here. Now, I have already written my blog post, so I am just going to copy and paste it. And you will see that it's already broken it down into separate sections for me. So it's already given me a title, a headline, and then it's broken it down into the different sections for me, which is fantastic. Now, there are a couple of things that I always want to include when I do a blog. One of them is a link. So I will add a link now as a hyperlink. So I'm just going to grab the link. I always like my blogs to lead towards something. So in this case, this one is leading to my ultimate list building course. So I will just write find out more here. I will highlight here and I will add the link. And then I always add an image. So I will click on add block, click on add image, and I will upload. And I have already created the image for that. So this is uploading now. And the image is just an image that I use as a cover image. And it has the title of the blog on there. So I will put that center because that's how I like it. Then once you're happy with this, there's a bit of a gap there. There you go. Yeah. So once you're happy on this, you want to come to post. And then you want to set a featured image. So this is when it goes onto your blog post page, it will actually have a link that will show you, it will have a picture that comes up rather than just a link. So again, I will just choose the same image. So I will set the featured image. I don't want to publish it immediately. I want to schedule this. And I know that I want to schedule this one for the 10th of June. Not the 10th of June, the 9th of June. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to schedule that now. And I'm going to change the time for 6 a.m. I always schedule all of my blogs for 6 a.m. on a Monday. So I will do that. That will come up there. And then the default template, I always like to go down and change it to full width because otherwise it takes it to like 3/4 of the page as opposed to the full width. And then if I hit on schedule, all the information comes up and I will click on schedule again. And this will then schedule this post. So if I then go back to the post pages, you will see that this will come up in the scheduled post. So let me go here. So this, just to clarify as well, this is where you will get your hyperlink from. So if you wanted to put it on social media, you could just copy this link here when it goes live. So go back to the dashboard, go to posts, and down here, you will see lead magnets and other marketing myths that need a lie down. If you do want to reschedule one, so for example, I've got one scheduled at the same time, I want to reschedule that one. If you just go into edit, and then you can just go into reschedule that post. So click on publish there, click on the date, and I'm going to change that to the 7th of July because I've got no blog scheduled for that time. So I'm just going to move it down a bit. But that is how you simply go and add a blog. Now you can do things like SEO and everything else, and it is important to do that, but I'm a great believer in done is better than perfect. So even just blogging, getting these blogs out there and then sharing them onto social media so that you have got this content. And as you can see, I blog every single week as it gives me great content. It gives people an opportunity to come over to my website and it gives me content to share on social media.